In this video, we will cover the installation of the SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Harvest International Laser Pro 1 row unit with box hopper. Before you begin, verify you have all the required parts indicated in your installation instructions. First, we will start by removing any of the applicable parts from the row unit: gauge wheels, scrapers, opening disc, and seed firmer. Next, we will install the seed tube guard. Slide the seed tube guard into the shank. Apply red Loctite to the supplied spiral roll pins and drive or press the pins through the shank and seed tube guard. Install the seed tube guard wing by gently pinching the rear of the wings and pushing it onto the guard. The seed delivery rail will be installed next. Start by removing any dirt or debris from the inside of the shank. Insert one spacer sleeve on each side of the delivery rail. Slide the delivery rail from the top of the shank until the lower hook on the rail is engaged with the lower shank pin. Be sure to visually confirm engagement. Next, install the clevis pin and hairpin clip through the top of the delivery rail. The delivery rail should not be able to be removed once the pin is installed. Next, install the SureSpeed delivery tube. Slide the delivery tube in from the top of the shank until it is resting on the delivery rail spring and is inside the seed tube guard wing. Connect the row can cable to the delivery tube motor at this time. Next, we will assemble the SureSpeed meter onto the seed hopper. First, install the plastic standoff on the rear of the box hopper. Secure with 4 of the 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolts. Ensure all 4 bolts have been started before tightening to verify hole alignment. Next, slide the front pivot adapter into place on the meter. Position the seed meter on the box hopper. Ensure that the meter is positioned properly by verifying the 4 bolt holes are aligned and the tab on the meter is interfacing with the tabs on the box hopper. Install 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolts to attach the meter to the box hopper. The SureSpeed meter will be installed next. Install the meter and box hopper onto the bushings. Confirm there is minimal side-to-side movement. If there is movement, add washers to each side until minimal movement is achieved. Connect the row can cable to the meter motor. Lock the hopper box and meter into place with the latch. Adjust the latch location to obtain desired latch tension and tighten the hardware. Leaving the latch loose may cause the meter to bounce and cause performance issues. Lastly, install the vacuum elbow provided. Cut the vacuum hose to the desired length. Install the new vacuum elbow onto the hose. Please note the elbow has left-hand threads. Push the elbow onto the meter. Now, you will be able to successfully install a SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Harvest International Laser Pro 1 row unit with a box hopper. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.